What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So back on the Supra, and I'm actually about to paint protect it. So I've got the guy coming tomorrow to do the PPF film on the front bumper, mirrors, just high impact areas for stone chips. So I need to go over the whole car, wash it now, because last time I had it out and I was putting the interior in, it was very windy, so I had like dust and stuff going on it. So I need to wash the whole thing, dry the whole thing. Then I'm gonna bring it inside and I'm going to do some paint protection on it. So we've got this tough seal. My painter suggested it. He said, look, it's great stuff. So it's a two-step process. I've got to wash the car, obviously first, make sure it's nice and clean. And then I've got to get it in, out of the sun, and I have to do the first step over the whole car, panel by panel. It kind of like, I think it just like, it takes everything off, any wax, any whatever, kind of clean, kind of gives you a base of just paint, and then you go over and you do panel at a time, and it literally says get on a foam pad, put it on, wait 5 minutes, wipe it off on each panel, and then it says do it twice. So yeah, it's gonna be a big process, but I'll put you guys down and you guys can watch me do it. For real though, one of my neighbours listens to the creepiest music. I don't know what this noise is, but it's creepy.
Maybe mom and dad were right when they told me this wouldn't be nothing. Maybe I should take their advice, go get a life, or maybe get a job or something. Pack it up and head back home, tell everybody I was bluffing. Maybe I'll just get out my head and focus on what I know's coming. Yeah. Cause I can't fall asleep at night without seeing my dreams. Delusion every... Okay, so I've washed the car, dried the car, and I've actually left it for a couple of hours because obviously, you know, like under your mirror and in your door shuts and all sort of stuff, that it kind of like leaks water for a while. I thought I'd leave it, let that dry off, play a couple games of COD with the boys. Now I'm back. So, step one is the pre-treatment. I'm assuming this is just like to, I guess it's like wax and grease remover kind of thing. It's just prepping the surface for the actual sealant. So, what it says is, shake it up, make sure it's all shaken up, put it onto a foam pad, put it on a panel, wipe it off the panel. So it's like just like a cleaning agent. It says, do not let it dry, and do not do it in the sun, all that sort of stuff. So, I've got a bunch of foam pads over there, but what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna wrap the foam pad in a microfiber as well, just because obviously microfiber compared to foam, like it's probably a little bit better. So I'm gonna wrap it in that, and I'm gonna do it with that. So I'm gonna go over the whole car right now with the pre-treatment and do one coat of that, because it's just like cleaning. So you just gotta do one coat of it, and then I go through and do the actual sealant. So let's hit it. Sleep at night without seeing my dreams. Delusion and reality, I'm somewhere in between. These voices in my head get loud and they keep telling me that I'm a fool for trusting in these wings. But maybe, baby, this what flying feels like. Maybe, baby, this what flying feels like. Maybe, maybe this what flying feels like. Maybe, maybe this what flying feels like.
Oh, okay, so that's the step one done. I did every single panel, and then at the end of it I went over with another microfiber and went over everything just to make sure that it was fully wiped down, because it says don't leave any of the product on there to dry, blah 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 blah. So I wiped it all down, there's none on there. So now it's going to be going to the actual sealant, pretty much the same process, but instead of putting it on, wiping it off, I put it on, time it 4 to 5 minutes, wipe off the excess, and then I have to do panel by panel. I'll probably do like 2 panels at a time, purely because there's a 5-minute wait. So like I'll start one and I'll put a timer on, and then when my timer goes off, go back, wipe that panel down, and so on. You know what I mean? Okay, cool. Let's hit it.
Rose gonna start going way up.